What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the Ghost Case 2.0. This is from D brand. This is their brand new 2.0 never yellowing and hopefully never scratching iPhone case. They got several manufacturers, I guess, for Samsung, but I got the iPhone one. I still got the iPhone 14 Pro, so I went ahead and grabbed that one. I do have the Ghost Case 1.0. It did scratch really easily. There is a couple of flaws with it. Hopefully in the 2.0 they went ahead and fixed it, but they went ahead and they were gonna fix 1.0, but they ended up going to 2.0 and they send it out for free. So that's pretty cool for D brand to go ahead and send it out for free. But if you are interested in this case for any of your phone models, high-end Samsung and high-end iPhone and all that, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a link in the description just in case you want to go ahead and pick this up. It's not affiliated, I'm just helping out a little bit. Here we go, the Ghost Case 2.0. I got the top view right here. If you guys can see it, camera's a little weird, so I might not show the best angles here, but it says Ghost Case 2.0, little thing right here. Really quick, let me go ahead and show you guys the 1.0 flaws, and then we're gonna go ahead and unbox to the 2.0. So first things first, it scratched really easily, so I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but let me see if I can get some light on there. It scratches really easily. One good thing is that it never yellowed, so that's pretty good. They were truth to the never yellowing, but I guess in the quest to get a never yellowing case, they didn't think about the scratching, so that's what they were trying to fix now. And also it gets extremely dirty. I cracked it here on this corner, if you guys can see it, from dropping it. Extremely dirty. So another thing is that it's kind of like this two layer of cases or whatever. So you do have like the inside plastic and then this rubber outer shell that came off really easily. So anything like that, it would just kind of come out really easily around here. And I guess that's what made the dirt come in so easily. So that was not ideal for having like a clean case that you don't get any dirt coming into the case, you know. If you get a clear case, you're gonna get some dirt that's showing and you have to take the phone out and clean it once in a while. But this one, it was really fast and really often. So that's another negative that I saw. Obviously the scratching and the kind of build quality, the flimsiness. I did like the never yellowing and I did like the slim profile. So I don't like big bulky cases, but I really like this one. It was really slim. Another plus is the raised camera. So the lenses sit right under the lip here, so it helps from not scratching. So that's another plus, and I might be able to show it here. I don't know if I can get my camera to focus, but if you see there, the lenses kind of sit right under the lip. Let me go ahead and focus back, but there you go. So the case was okay. It did what it needed to do. It didn't yellow, but slim, but there was room for improvement. So that's what we're hoping now with the Ghost 2.0 case. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Sorry for the late delay. I needed you guys to kind of get some context as to why they sent this and why you would want to purchase. So here we go, Ghost Case 2.0. And you do get a letter here. You do get a QR code to scan it if you want to go ahead and, I guess, purchase. Oh, 10%. Yeah, QR code to take 10% off their order. So if you want to go ahead and order Ghost Case, go ahead and scan it, you get 10%. And here is what we're here to look at. As you can see, it's very similar. It does have a little bit of differences here, but let me go ahead and look around the case here. So just right off the bat, let's go ahead and compare. Here we go. So it might look this. Okay, yeah. So no more of the, is it two-tone or is it one? It looks like it's just one piece. So you do have this clear back and this rubber edging or whatever it's called. I'm not sure what this is called, but it does look thicker and it's less cutout. So if you see here, you had a cutout, kind of like this, like two-tone from like the clear to the black, clear to the black. This one's just like this one piece, and hopefully it keeps the dirt out. Now you do have the bottom part where you have the speaker cutout. I'm doing such a bad job here, guys. Sorry about that. The speaker cutout, the charging port and stuff like that. As you can see, this little bumper, it's basically doubled, almost tripled in size, in thickness here. So it does look like it's a little bit thicker of a case going around. Maybe there was complaints that there was some cracking going around, so they needed to up the thickness. You still get the mute switch cutout here for the new phones. There's, you know, probably another cutout or whatever. I do know that the newer iPhones have the extra button next to the power button, so there's like an extra button here. So pretty much the same but different. Same but different. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take off the case here of the 1.0, and this one was always like the first 20 times to take off the case, it was really difficult, and then now it kind of softened up a little bit. But yes, this one's on its way out. You can tell it's just very flimsy looking, just kind of been through a little bit of the ringer here. So let's go ahead and clean it off a little bit. I always kind of try to clean my phone whenever I can, like once a week, once every 2 weeks and stuff like that. I'll take it out and just kind of use it without a case for a little bit, just to, I don't know, let it breathe. I'm weird like that, but as my cat tries to scratch in to get in. But all right, there we go. You might be hearing her, but let's go ahead and rip off the little case, the little ghosts off the case. There is some bubbling. Oh, is there another one inside? Of course. And you get some inside film. There it is with all its glory. I do like that it does have like this different shape for the MagSafe cutout. Do like that. Another difference is that the 1.0 had it kind of raised, so it's kind of popping out a little bit, and this one seems to have it flush with the case right there. So all right, let's go ahead and insert the phone. It might be a little tight the first time, but you know, if it protects the phone, it protects the phone. All right. Oh no. You got apps. It's a very tight, snug fit, but so far it looks great. It looks fantastic. You do get the buttons. There's no you know, plastic coming out of the sides. It's really really tight fit, and it looks great. You know, it looks like it'll sustain a drop or two, protect my phone, but also slim, so it's not as bulky. I don't like the bulky cases. Although they protect your phone a little bit better than the slim ones, I don't like the bulky cases. So there you go. And I'll show it to you guys on this one here, if my camera can kind of focus here. But I almost lost it, but there it is. There's the Ghost Case 2.0. Let me go ahead and focus on back on me. Here's the front view. Here's the view from the bottom where the ports are. You do have the charging port cut out and stuff like that, and the power button right there going around. You do have the mute switch and the volume up and down. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a little clickiness to it. I kind of like that, you know. That might be the phone. It might not even be the case, but all right, so there we go. I don't know if I'll make a follow-up video. I'll probably mention it in another video, so follow me if you want to know what's going on with this phone. I haven't posted on this channel in quite some time, but I'm going to try my best to get more engaged in this channel and provide a little bit more tech unboxing and tech reviews for you guys. But yeah, this has been an unboxing of the Ghost 2.0 iPhone 14 Pro case by D brand. Awesome of them to send it out for free. They knew that they needed to rectify the issue that they caused with Ghost Case 1.0, so they went ahead and sent it out on the free skis. And you know, you gotta love free stuff, you know. So go ahead and follow me for more tech videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.